Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. Hope you enjoyed the picture of the dogs this morning. Figured I'd throw something personal in there instead of all these work videos. But here's another update. It is Wednesday, about 5:01, and we started the bar top yesterday, and I just finished it. Ropes on, sanded, and stained. I'm gonna let the stain dry for a couple hours, and then be able to get the first coat on it. Yesterday we got the bar itself painted, so that is done. So we are now on schedule to get this to Buffalo on Monday instead of when we get back from the Carolinas, which is a couple weeks. So by getting this out, when I get back, I can jump on all these other jobs. All of these are still waiting. So once again, I appreciate everybody's patience. We are going as fast as we can. I am working 7 days a week. And believe it or not, on Friday, I spent about 3 hours doing the frame and getting the poles in. Sunday, I spent 4 hours on it. Roughly 3.5, 4 hours getting these cabinets done. And then what was that? It was Saturday. And then Sunday I worked. And what did I do Sunday? I got the other cabinets in and all the electric done. And I started the cedar, and that's when we ran out. So I guess it was Monday. I was able to get more cedar and finish, and all my bar top material, and finish all the cedar. Yesterday we started the bar top, and then this morning I shaped it, sanded it, roped it, stained it. So so far so good. I got the doors done yesterday as well. They're in the other room. They were sealed yesterday too, so they're drying. The only thing I have to build yet for this monster is the footrest, and I will do that tomorrow. Come in early, get the footrest built, get all the electric outlets and switches in, get the ice bin in, we'll get the sink in, and put the second coat of sealer tomorrow on this monstrous bar top. And then Friday, put the third coat on, and then hopefully we're going to be loading up on Sunday. I got a bunch of friends coming over. It's going to about take 10 of us to lift this thing. So we're going to do that Sunday morning. And then we should be out of here between 3:30 and 4 on Monday. It's going to be about a 6.5 hour drive. There's my buddy Bill. What are you drinking, Bill?
Bud Light.
Bud Light. Bud Light. No, I am not advertising for Bud Light either. I don't even drink Bud Light. Bud Light doesn't even have a taste. Bill thinks it does, but it doesn't. But Bill just stopped by to say hi. He's on vacation this week, so I guess he's bored. And his wife just retired, and she's off gallivanting, who knows where. So congratulations to Chrissy for retiring from the U.S. Post Office. So anyway, okay, so the schedule is, and again, I am going as fast as I physically possibly can. So the schedule is this bar to Buffalo on Monday. We should be back, barring any problems, late Monday night. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, we're loading up for the 4 Carolina jobs. And as soon as we get back, I'm going to be jumping on a couple of these other bars. And this one, as you can see, takes up pretty much the whole shop, or this whole area anyway. But this is the biggest one of the season. So I'll be able to do at least 2 to 3 bars at a time when I get back. So again, thanks for your patience, and I will be seeing you guys soon. So, from the Tiki Kev shop, and Bill Janeda on vacation. Yeah, wish I could take a vacation. Sometime in December, maybe. Yeah, what's that, October?
It's over today.
Yeah. All right, from the Tiki Kev shop, everybody have a great day. Tiki Kev out.